Hey, good morning. Let me who dream me. I dear me who no hapa, dear me who dream me, papa. If a video ya, I Akosombo, and say River Volta ana railway bridge. Paying for air bridge or in no so sana train ana befaso no. We the second Addo bridge. Bridge no way ye papa. Bridge no so na mi in fact we nsuo no na egu ho no. Nsuo no egu ho no. Na dofo be hwe dwuma akoso wa hanom a. In fact na e wose ye nyina no. Ya tai abanchi adwuma pa akoso wa ha papa. I was a time aban any railway mpanyimfo achi ministry no. Owura Peter Mawu one ne deputy minister lawyer Kwaku Asante Boateng, CEO Ghana Railway Development Authority Mr. Usu, was a bomb mabaso na se dan kese no pa koma His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo na dwumadi akoso wa ha no eya ahudwiri bridge no so na migire Akosombo River Volta no ana paying for aye bridge 10 kese pa. In fact enika efe bibia abande Ghana omane kone de e wose nyina no esum yesi niyama mu aiden de but ye hwe niyama wi a abande de Ghana sika ya na kire se enidaso ewo ho enidaso ho pa because investment we for future generation, the unborn generation na beba be disun faso nti bibi amenamu bridge no e fa ba bi no ma ye ho no mo a ho nipa betimi afaso ukra bicycle ana motorbike eno so betimi afaso na train no so enam baby e wo se offer kama pa mo hwe nsuo no na da ho saa no no ma ye adwuma masa nya asem ketwa se untu kwan ana wonko baby wonante a abi unhu se aban ne ye bibi na adwuma aban na ye ne de menuamo semani ensem ka kire kra na me ho adwiri me ne papa ho
apotre MPP yen kwani party a ye betumi atene eye Ghana ama Ghana ayeyi because so do woni koto NDC fo a nti asem a mo ba mo beka the excuse a NDC ba obeka kire on say ye ba ye no ye beto MPP o ma say eye economy na wi ti o ye beto ye no ma say economy na wi itimo ma ye mre kakra and the former president o mo tape ne say 2024 be wi ni no eye 4 years 4 years, Dr. Gasho, just 1 minute.
Okay.
4 years.
4 years.
Shadio, first year. Or the Bayer appointment in this committee. Second year, the same thing. Former president 2014. Or catch Ghana for say, to me for 1 term and fix the economy of Ghana.
Okay, sir.
It okasa asem wechiro na okacha me say 2024 ye betumi ye de tumi be mana iti asama waka in the year 2014 say on to me for 1 term and fix the Ghanaian economy no iti 4 term no then obababe.
That is left to the NDC to decide.
4 years
no then presidential primaries no. But unim say my friend say global info analytics survey no try almost share the year Kojo Bonsumrika or deba any yes such kumewu papa no your friend is saying Dr. Kwabnadu for former finance minister or no Sumrika or deba but Oshe global info analytics survey no survey nature baby Anyoma Ekono, it looks as if still the former president John Dramani Mahama lead the polls as it stands in the survey.
Ghana Funtie Assembly Sylvester Mensa. So kind.
Sylvester Mensa. And
National Health.
Okay.
Insurance.
Yeah.
The Assembly Okai 9 February 2019 year. Or say it would be useless exercise to vote for 1-term candidates. It would be useless exercise to vote for one term
candidate. Me da se papa. Na Gentle Ahmed the message bi about say cash. Inti MPP man ka say ohun nya ubasa. Ayasem na Benjamin Anaba or say hey kasa de say ya MPP ni ka kire nso nya kasa.
Surprise there fed beche.
Sports. You talk about health insurance. You talked about free maternal care. Ote ase se mre wo hwa kametimi abobo bebdrona. That was the era we are talking about.
Okay.
But eye samre na mu ena doc ye wura ye second term no. Ye twa mfie ba ko mu de kowura ne miensa so 2006-7 mu. Ena fofia antoata. Ena wiase sikasem nyina started say topic. That was the 2007 financial cruncher. Isi wo wiase nyina afi na the biggest financial cruncher ba wiase nyina no. The height of it was the 2007 one. Sadia ne ba ye no yenuanom omotin jen disifu ya. E kan semwa kese de kire Ghana for. It is like what we are experiencing today. Samre na nyoma bo article of soro. Inflation na president Akufo beto no around 40%. Yetimi de ya the bar as low as about 13 in the first term. By the second term now started rising to about 18, getting to 20. A kokra could do I think 23, but yetimi san ewe hu adwuma by the time I yefia konya so no now back down to I think about 16.4 or so if I could remember. But sana net ye said ne yehu ya. But ye say who say ye di konya ne ma NDC for 2009 to 2016. What was the results? So baby ye do hoda. And that is why I'm saying say mreni do si enkem asem a. Ye be kem asem. John Mahama adwen say Ghana for refi asem. But mreni do hwa at this time is not the time. Mreni do hwa ye be ma Ghana for ate ase say sadie ya AC ye do hoda. Yenya MPP aban oba ya na nioma mu ye din na nioma nkoye ne ye besesa o man no hyebre na o man sikasam di gina yi na nso so nioma si o wiase nyina e din susuanso bone bre o man no sikasam na ye ma ye hu refree ye hu nti ye sa kofa NDC bai no ye hu susuanso. And it is the same thing. MPP aban beto aban a na NDC aban John Mahama di animu ye gina enim ya na etim 2017, 18, 19. Mienu yanka no krenche ho say whether the economy na ye bu at the time no. Doc na ye asay senya na ye kan nana. And that time no enyoma na ye si yesika ntimi nye no. Yesika tumi ye. Oman tumi ye. E de boa ma oman mpuntu opejai. E ma nyoma na sebi ye hu no ensachira ye bam. What you say? Until COVID, until Russia. Na hwe unim de bia meka na meguso aka. Ye kan na yafa ne tra se o COVID ne Russia ne de ni sunsu anso. Omo ama mpani dada John Dramani Mahama sabe ofa ye se ye de ye ohuru yanim kofom Ghana. Enti wokwa manone no one amanone mrofo sabe broni futa kodim komo a oduru ho a ose ewiase sikasem no nia etie ne se